Here's our 2024 GMC Sierra AT4 with the 3.0 Duramax engine. I'm a big fan of this engine. I actually really love it. It's so fun to drive. This one's got hostile wheels and some Kenny cleavers. As I go throughout this video, I'll point out anything. This is a pre-owned vehicle. I'll point out anything that I see, if there's any dings, dents, or scratches. But from when I looked around, it's a pretty clean vehicle all around. It's only 10,000 miles. Beautiful brown accented interior. I really like this truck. Coming on the inside, 10,549 miles. The new GM infotainment center. So you got this big old screen, Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay. You've got your 360 cameras over here as well. If I close my door, you'll be able to see. Boom, everything right there. You've got the toggle mirror up here with the cameras, back to the mirror, sunroof, universal garage door opener, rear sliding window. Down here we've got heated and cooled seats, dual climate controlled. You've got your lane keep assist. This also has adaptive cruise and your heated steering wheel. Of course, four-wheel drive, all your light functions down there. Coming around to the back. Spray and bed liner. All the way clean. From what I've seen right there, looking great. Beautiful truck. Let me know if you have any questions, want to know more about it, want to schedule time to come and see it. 2024 GMC Sierra AT4 with the mini Duramax 3-liter engine.